AJ Gracia of Amy Jesus Agency with ID number 41742335. I'm here for our team explanation. Our team name is De Novo in Spanish word, and in English words, it's a new or the beginning. Ito po ay para pong simula o pagsisimula ng isang bagong samahan ng mga iba't ibang tao na magkakaiba ang pinanggalingan. Isang bagong simula ng mabubuong pagkakaibigan ng 9 na taong bubuo sa isang team. Team na hindi susuko sa mga hamon at pagsubok. Our team motto is a journey of success begins of a new opportunities. Yun lamang po. God bless everyone. And enjoy natin ang ating Maral PLC.
Hello everyone, I am EJ Mel from Team De Novo. My ID number is 180-42975 and our manager is Manager Iris. Hello po sa lahat ng sumali ngayong Maral PLC Challenge. Sana po ay mag-enjoy po tayong lahat. God bless po. Thank you!
Hello Amy 1, hello world, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I'm AG Cecil from Bukidnon, ID number 40592221, a challenger of Marel Party Live under the team of De Novo and under Manager Irish. Thank you so much, founder, for helping us to go, grow, and glow. It is my honor to be a part of AG Agency. Thank you and God bless us all.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all everyone's. This is your EJ Melody, 42714147 from Team De Novo. Under po kami ni Managers Iris and our TL is EJ Mel. Thank you at yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hi everyone, I'm AJ Jesa. My ID number 420860. Yun lang po, God bless.
Hello everyone, this is EJ Len. My user ID is 5703709 from Team De Novo. Good luck and enjoy, guys.
Good blessed day everyone. This is EJ Italia 2983-2413 under the code of our founder EJME 3494747. My best moment here in EJ Agency is unlimited ways to earn, especially hindi lang kay Popo, bukod pa dun kay sa ating EJ website. Maraming salamat po sa buhay ni EJ founder Emmy, sa bumubuo ng EJ Agency, sa mga admins, Manager Irish, aming manager ngayon, kay TL Mel. Maraming salamat po sa buhay nyo. And yun lang po. This is EJ Italia. Bye! God bless everyone!
Hello there everyone, I am EJ Ron with the user ID number 2769391 under the EJ Agency 3494747. I am so glad to be a part of this Maril PLC because I am a grade 9 student and this is the first time I have joined this challenge, and I am very thankful for my team De Novo, for our TL, for our Manager Iris, and especially to Ma'am Amy, the founder of EJ Agency. And thank you for accepting me to be a part of this challenge, even if I am a student and I am a teenager. Thank you, that's all.
Hi everyone, I'm EJ Jenny, ID number 28330626 from Team De Novo. Gusto ko talaga sumali every PLC kasi may bago akong makikilalang mga AJ at bagong kaibigan. God bless and good luck, Team De Novo.